Alright guys, I just finished this trip and I'm changing shoes, not because they hurt or anything, just because I only wear them to hike. But let me show you my Merrells with the Vibra heel. These are the Merrell Moabs. It is depressing the quality of insole that comes with these shoes. This is not, I put this as an aftermarket, which is much better than what comes with the shoe, which is probably only the thickness of your credit card. Look at this sorry ass insole that you get with Merrell shoes. These are not even that old, but look at this. A credit card is probably thicker than this. You squeeze it and I mean there is no cushion at all. Look at how thin this is. I'm trying to squeeze and you pay all this money for these so-called top of the line shoes and they give you crap for, see there's no wear and tear on there. They're not that old, but I took these out immediately. I mean, stupid what they put inside these shoes and claim they're comfortable hiking shoes. No, they're not. The part up front, believe it or not. So I put these in here, but I don't take these on long hikes anymore. I'm putting these on right now just because I like the lower top. This is what I hike with. This is what I just wore right now on this trip. They look just like Merrell's, right? Look where they're from. Ozark. Walmart. $33. These damn things were $115 with a crappy ass insole. And this is what I put in the Ozark. Anti-fatigue. Man, this is good stuff. Look how thick that is. And nothing but good gel. These are the ones I put on the Merrells to take out the crap that they put in theirs. But try these guys. These are $30-something, $34 at Walmart. These are so good. I just take them off right now because I'm going to drive now. I like the low cuts for driving. There's a plug for Walmart. Peace, guys.